let's talk about Bavette steaks. What's a Bavette steak? I'm not even sure. It's my dog. Look at this marble. Well, we gotta respect the grain. Look at this grain. Boom. Pretty sure it's... I'm not sure what it is. But it's beautiful. And we're gonna make a nice little steak Parmesan sandwich with it. Let's get into it. First step, we're gonna pat it dry. Some paper towel. Let's give it a little wipe down. Next step, we're gonna place these guys on a rack. Next step is we're gonna salt it. This is called salt brine. I'm gonna put this in the fridge 24 hours. Now they've been salted, we're going in the fridge for 24 hours. Goodbye. So we end up doing 48 hours instead of 24. My dog clocking around. Look at that. What we're going to do now, though, we're actually going to trim some of these bad boys up because, yeah, Phoenix. Because if you look at it, it's very thin here. So we'll trim them here. Same with this one. I trim it right there. Because these will definitely, you cook this to hell and then before you get this medium rare. So now, I'll let it temper. We'll let it get to room temperature before you start cooking it. It's the best way to get good results. Even better cook. If it's cold and you try to cook it, it's not. You're not going to be even. It'll be like you want it to fade. You want it to fade into medium rare. Yeah, good enough. All right, give it like 45 minutes, an hour, whatever the fuck. If you're patient, go for it. But it'll be shit, so I wouldn't do it. All right, see you in 45. Important step. I almost forgot. Season your meat. Now I don't think we're good. We're good on salt. We're gonna put some garlic on there. So anyway, the whole point of the salt brine, so what it does is it tenderizes the meat, pulls a lot of the moisture out. It's going to help you get a really good crust on it. Really helps bring out the flavor of the steak. I've done it once before. I've never done it 48 hours. Kind of excited. See how it is. Definitely looks like you feel it's dry. It's a lot more, the meat, it's not as floppy when you hold it. I don't know if that's the proper word or not. But, like the first time I did it, I did strip loins, fantastic. So I'm excited for these. They already have gray marble and they're probably going to be tender as hell anyway. But why the hell not, right? Life's too short to eat shitty steak. More garlic. So yeah, just garlic and black pepper for me, on these guys. Then we got our beef tallow. Pretty hot, starting to smoke. It's time to add some steaks. Give a little bit of time. We don't want to overcrowd the pan. And sear them off. I like to do the 1 minute aside, flip them, 1 minute aside, flip them. Just to make sure the cook is even and consistent all the way through. Alright. Now the fun part. And we're back. Took a little bit longer than I thought because this is a thick steak. Look at that. I'm going to baste it. But come on. Look at that crust. Look at this. It's perfect. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Tell me, normally I cook steaks, I don't do the salt brine. You don't get that same crust on them. They made a big difference. Beautiful. This is beautiful. We're going to take these off. We're going to set them down. We're going to rest them for a little while. Do yourself a favor. Don't ever just take your steak and start cutting into it. Let it rest. Give it like 10 minutes. Just let it even out. It's going to suck all those juices back in. It's going to be so much better. Don't waste your damn steak, okay? Alright. Give them 10 minutes, maybe 15, and then we'll slice them up. sharp knife. Let's see. Oh, that's a good crust. Oh yeah, it's juicy. Oh, it's quite a crust on there. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, looks like my little man got in trouble. Here my wife scolding my son. Oh yeah. Some good homemade bread. Not by me personally, but a good buddy of mine with some beautiful bread. Corky. We're going to cover that stuff in some good butter. Don't use cheap butter, okay? Put us money on steak. Don't use shitty butter, okay? This stuff is Cow's Creamery from Prince Edward Island. Don't be shy with the butter. Lots of butter. Oh, yeah. We're going to take some of our beautiful steak here. It's going to layer it on. Oh, yeah, look at that. Nice 3 fat slices. Beautiful. Next step, I'm going to make it rain. Some Parmesan cheese. Final step, a little extra salt on there, and you're done. Enjoy. It's delicious. Trust me, all the flavors complement each other. It's fantastic. Hey, put the Parmesan. Use that powdered shit. You're done. You're not allowed to cook anymore.